Scientist group names Filipina in Germany as planet awardee.
Okay.
Yeah. And then she explained here that she's kind of, part of her is insecure because in the Philippines science is not a priority, which is true. She earned an international climate protection fellowship from Alexander von Humboldt. Does that sound German?
Alexander Humboldt, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So her work focuses on the environment. Oh, that's why the Germans appreciate it, because it's something with the environment.
Main page on the newspapers. A TV moderator from Germany who stopped working as a TV moderator 10 years ago. Stefan Raab is his name. He was a host of a late night show and other things and some sport events and whatever. Say that is for you.
Danke. For Mama and Julia and Costa.
We made it home from the supermarket, so I'll be doing a grocery haul for you guys. So I have one big bag here of the stuff that we bought. So the total of these is €61.66. So let's start with the chocolate. So it's Holy Week today and tomorrow is Easter Sunday. So it's a tradition here in Germany to give your loved ones chocolate bunny. So this is for Costa and Mama. Oh, and Marco gave me this. This is for me. This is for Julia. So cute. Alright, and then, sorry if I had to pause because I need to take a thumbnail. This one is cooking oil, rapeseed oil, or in the Philippines we call it canola oil. And then toast, grapes. Oh, this one, it's edible cake design, flower design, because it's Julia's birthday tomorrow, so I am going to bake a cake for her, and yeah, I've decided like these flowers look cute, so I may or may not put them on the cake. And then cocoa powder for the chocolate cake that I'm gonna make, brown sugar. Then I have heavy cream. So in Germany they call it Schlagsahne. Okay. I have two bags, two containers, and then snack cucumber, little cucumber. Another toast, but this one has raisins, my favorite. And then we have chocolate. So M&M's and Knoppers. Another box of cocoa powder. And then cheese. I have Philadelphia cream cheese. Oh, it's not focusing. Tomatoes, snack tomatoes, okay, or cherry tomatoes. And then, what else do we have? I have pickles, a jar of pickles. Okay, so these are the cured meat. Okay, salami and I don't know how this is called. Ham, cucumber, and then Oh, these are for Marco. So hair styling gel or styling cream gel. Okay. And his tools. Alright. And the last, aside from this bag, we have another one, but these are just toiletries. So toilet paper and paper towel for the kitchen. Alright. Putting away and arranging all the stuff that we bought. Actually, today's grocery shopping was pretty hectic because the supermarket was packed, given that it's the Holy Week, and yesterday, Good Friday, everything was closed in Germany, and usually people would do their weekend grocery shopping on a Friday night, but since yesterday everything was closed, then you can guess what was the scene today at the supermarket. And they cannot do it tomorrow either, not only because it's Easter Sunday, but it's the general rule in Germany that most of the establishments are closed on a Sunday.
Yeah, I give you the fries. See? I'm super generous. And is it good? Is it better than the... What is it? What was it again?
Manginasal.
Manginasal? Is it better? How much better?
0.5.
You put extra onions on top and normal extra onions under it.
I cannot finish this, so
I will not eat it.
I will be scraping the chilies out for you.
It's only on the meat. With a tiny Filipina who
You don't want me to...
want to have always the big portions but cannot even finish the half.
This is my first time making chocolate cake, so I hope, fingers crossed, that my chocolate cake turns out well. By the way, I'm following Chef RV's recipe on YouTube, and he said that the most ideal preheating time for your oven is at least 20 minutes before baking. So that's what I'm doing now, and it is at 160 degrees Celsius. These are the ingredients for my cake mixture, and these are the ingredients for my chocolate ganache. I am just using this wire whisk to mix all my dry ingredients and make sure everything is incorporated well before adding my wet ones. So the next would be 1 piece of egg. So according to Chef RV, you can skip this one. Eggs are just added to the mixture as a stabilizer. So with or without egg, your cake would still be okay. The next ingredients that I'm gonna add actually surprised me, so I'll be putting 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar. According to the chef, it is used to tenderize the cake. I'll bake this now for 45 minutes.